Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can set your Shopify domain. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these sections. You're gonna find the home section, orders, products, customers section, content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're gonna find online store and also point of sale. And lastly, here you're gonna find your applications. So right now, in order to set your Shopify domain, first of all, go here to the settings, give it a click, and then once you're here in the settings, you're gonna find all of these sections. Right here, you're gonna find general, plan, buy link, users and permissions, payment, checkout, and so on. Here in this list, go ahead and search for domains. And once you find domain, click on it, and then you're gonna be here in this page. So once you're here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find your primary domain for your store. If you want to change to a new myshopify.com domain, click on here, and then right here you can type any domain that you want. Make sure that it's saying here in the bottom domain is available. So for example, I'm gonna type tutorial.myshopify.com, and as you can see, guys, it's saying right here that this domain is not available. So you won't be able to add this domain. But for example, if you add some numbers, for example, you're going to be able to add the domain. As you can see, guys, this domain is available. So once it's available, you're going to be able to click on add domain, and then you're going to be able to change to this domain. But you can only perform this action once. So if you want to buy a new domain or connect to an existing domain that you already have, here in the top, you're going to find these two options. So if you want to buy a new one, just click on buy new domain and then type the domain name that you want. And then you're going to be able to buy it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.